Because look what I ended up making happen.
Yeah, that nice little pool of dirty water.
Can you lift that up? Like, can you make it go towards the tote? The bucket? Oh, it's so green anyways. Yeah. Let's abandon ship. So we're gonna take down this one corner so we're not trying to catch anything so we don't end up ripping the tarp. So we're just gonna let the slack off of this one corner. Because this branch was no longer holding this up. All right, so we're gonna give up on this. I think it's gonna be raining all day, so it's not gonna get taken care of. Yeah, look. So, not knowing something is actually fun, wouldn't you say? It's like
makes things more interesting.
Yeah, it's kind of like playing Tetris or a puzzle or something. And we're trying to figure out how to get the pieces together. Wait for another day. Good thing I bought water at the store when I went.
These trees are a little bit
So
weak.
we'll just zip strip, you said?
Yeah,
this
zip
to here.
zip strip this to here.
Okay.
And then we'll put one decent sized metal pole there that we can tie to, so it holds the back end up higher.
Right.
And then we can get it tied up there. But it gives all this more support.
And I puckered that together so that
Right.
it wouldn't have such a dip in it. So
Yeah.
hopefully that helps too.
Absolutely. And I haven't looked at your tank. I saw something about a 5-gallon bucket and a 4-inch dump in it. And,
Yeah.
but no, when I was watching you do your plumbing on the bottom of it, I was like, yeah, they got it going on. They know what they're doing.
We're trying. And a ladder.
Yeah, we can tie it off right to the tree.
Yeah, that way I can
Yeah.
maneuver it and like a tree hugger.
Do you know where that term comes from?
Recently.
I know, you tagged me in something
I
about
was like,
that.
recently I do.
I know.
All right.
That's why I asked.
I don't know what I'm doing with knots. I gotta learn how to tie some knots.
Oh.
Yeah, I wasn't.
It's not going anywhere, I know that. There's one of those walking sticks again. What I want to do is see about putting the bucket on the other side. Of this contraption.
How's it going over here?
I think I have it the best I can get it. It's gonna be at an angle, but I don't think it matters. It's still gonna have a catchment down there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna have to recock
I've
it.
got
Or put the Flex Seal tape.
1 second.
Yeah.
He's got ideas. Wow, this looks amazing.
This tape is what they used, or what they do use to seal up asbestos bags on OSHA jobs.
Okay.
And it does not give.
It does
Nice.
not give. All right, let's put it to the test.
see.
It
we
does
got?
not give.
This is so cool. This is fun to me. This is
One pesky tree stump right in the middle of it. Of course, I trip on air. So.
Yeah.
Trip on air?
I do. I trip on air and fall upstairs. I'm one of those kind of special birds.
Prana. Tripping on prana. Chi. Oh. That post in the back is legit.
That's awesome. All right.
Yeah. Yeah, that. Like, this is going to be a hangout spot now.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, yeah, plus you got shade.
Yeah.
On top of everything else.
Shade and water. What more could we need?
I won't say it won't leak, but if it does leak, it's only going to be a drop or two.
Yeah.
We'll take what we can get.
Leak the turd.
Right.
Beautiful. See, it just takes a couple, times to perfect.
That's Tote. That's like, look at that.
John, our
Sawzall,
neighbor, our genius neighbor.
Sawzall. I'm going to take off a little
got
bit
it.
of this hickory tree.
Yeah.
Much higher in the trees. Got a middle support, completely funneling down to the bucket that is now on the other side. It's not going to reach the bottom of the tote, but it's all taped up.
There's the first ground stake. Sure you've seen it.
Yeah, we've seen that one. And I think there's one more on this side we've seen.
Yeah, and there should be, and then right at the bottom of the creek, and then it shoots back up the hill.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's all kinds in the ground here.
Yeah, there's the ground marker right there.
Okay.
There's a
So
steel,
let me tie one of those to the tree up higher.
there's a steel stake in the ground right there. And it shoots.
Yeah.
Oh.
We learned that one.
Yeah.
Oh, we had a coyote or a fox or something living here.
Oh, wow.
Coyote, fox, armadillo, never know. One of the ground dwelling animals. He's got it all dug out
Oh
too.
yeah. It's got a
Bingo.
And
So
then
we're-
it just continues straight up this way.
Right direction.
Yep.
Grounding.
Yeah.
It's very grounded. We are catching some sort of water today. It's
Oh, yeah.
happening. It's happening. Thank you for your help, John.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you. Way cool.
Take 3. With the help of our neighbor John, he had some extra supplies. Some type of piping so that it's sturdy, a stake. He brought a ladder so we were able to bring it up higher in the trees on all sides. So now I have a nice funnel to collect. Let's see how it works.